morning. Since I'm wired up to talk with so many wires. First, before I start out to introduce my colleagues, because we see investments as a profession, some see it as a business. For us at Britam Asset Management Company, we see ourselves having a profession that generates profit for us so long as our clients are happy. First, I'd like to introduce Mr. Francis Kajura. He has over 17 years experience in investment management. He's our General Manager at Britam Asset Management Uganda. Secondly, I want to introduce Imran Khan. He currently runs our public and alternative assets investment portfolios. He has more than 11 years experience in the industry. He was formerly with Swiss Re. And also I'd like to introduce Diana Gishaga, our MC. She has 11 years experience in the private equity industry. And lastly, I want to introduce Jeremy Ndirangu, our relationship and sales manager. She currently runs our retail distribution network. I should have started by saying Jambo. You're familiar with Jambo? That's Kiswahili for how are you? Usual response is Jambo. For those who have visited Nairobi, Mombasa, the usual greeting is Jambo. So Jambo? Jambo. So Britam Asset Management Company, we are a subsidiary of Britam Group. Gladys has already mentioned about the group, the structure, the shareholding. For me, on this particular moment, I'll just be discussing about Britam Asset Management Company and the expected synergies of the group. Within Britam Group, we have our insurance business. And in the insurance business, we have one of the largest distribution networks in East Africa, with approximately 2,000 what we call financial advisors, or direct sales force for insurance business. We ride on our insurance distribution to sell our unit trust funds. And then we also have our property business. Within our property business, we have Bremer Properties, Ecom Group, and Housing Finance. So for our property business within asset management, we ride on Bremer Properties, Ecom Group, and Housing Finance to execute our strategy. We also have banking business, where we have Equity Bank, Housing Finance. Asset management, we entered into partnership with Equity Bank, where we intend to introduce a white label product, where Equity Bank will start distributing our unit trust products. So in terms of staff complement, Britam Asset Management Company currently has 54 full-time employees that support Britam within Kenya and Uganda. In terms of the leadership team, I've introduced Imran, Francis, Diana, and Jerry Ndirangu Pasi. It's a relatively young team. I can say I'm one of the eldest in the team. It's a relatively young and dynamic team. Some key faces: Janet Waweru. She has been with Britam Asset Management Company since its formation in 2004. And Anne Kibebe. So why East Africa? Slice of the fastest billion. We have strong economic fundamentals with expected strong economic growth, macroeconomic stability within the fundamentals, demographic dividend, improvement in governance, and ease of doing business. I'm not going in detail because we'll have a session later where we're going to go in detail about the economic performance of the region. But if you ask me, What is my strategy? I'll tell you, it's quite simple. Africa is growing, it presents an opportunity, and investors who are looking to get a slice of this billion, Britam Asset Management Company has positioned itself as a gateway to East Africa. So our geographical focus for our asset management business. Currently we have a footprint, Britam has a footprint in 7 countries. This is Uganda, Kenya, South Sudan, Rwanda, Tanzania, Malawi, and Mozambique. But as asset management business, we are also looking at additional countries, in particular Ethiopia, Zambia, and DRC. So very soon we'll be having this start, we'll be announcing or we'll be mentioning some key opportunities in Zambia, DRC, and Ethiopia. But we're looking at Kenya as a platform for regional growth. For me, this is my key slide, because this explains, it's my product story and my strategy story. When Britam Asset Management Company was formed in 2004 and commenced operation in 2006, the main focus was on unit trust funds. The unit trust funds were supposed to be sold through our distribution channel in insurance, USD. 143 million in Kenya shillings terms is around, 125 million USD in cash management. 125 million in Kenya shilling terms is around 11 billion, which if you have analyzed the banks in Kenya, is the size of some of the tier 3 bank in Kenya. So we came up with a cash management solution for SME clients and our high-net clients. So we have a cash management product which complemented our unit trust fund product. We also developed a product, Active Strategies. Now, Active Strategies is a product that we provide to our high-net worth clients who are looking for exposures in the equity market within East Africa. But as the name suggests, it's a high risk, where we look at taking positions and one can say flipping the portfolio to generate an outsized return, Active Strategies. So in 2010 to 2011, we came up with the structured solution products. And then we started growing our discretionary portfolio and pensions businesses. And then in 2011, we started our real estate products. Within our real estate products, we have a development fund, a property fund that is domiciled here in Mauritius. And we also have an income fund that focuses on income property and a subordinated debt fund. So also at the same time when we launched our property business, we also initiated private equity. Where I mentioned initiated, we just started private equity. So we are looking to set up a private equity fund, but we have gone ahead and closed in the private equity setting up a Kenyan-based fund. Now we are looking to set up a Mauritian fund. And also we are looking at quoted private equity. And then one of the last products that we have is an offshore fund, where we are looking to sell products to our high net worth and pension clients, giving them exposure to global stocks. And for some of our clients here in Mauritius, we have what we call an East African fund that gives our Mauritian clients exposure to the East African Stock Exchange. And we're also looking to set up a Pan-African fund. So Britam, in our asset management business, as we manage $627 million in the Kenyan market, we regard ourselves as one of the leading fund managers, not because of the assets under management, but because we offer our clients a variety of solutions ranging from structured solutions, real estate / property, private equity, and offshore exposure. What I can add, of the $627 million we manage, close to 80% is local capital for the Kenyan market. Tremendous growth in AUM from $22 million in 2006. Currently, we have $627 million assets under management, a compounded average growth rate of 45%. So we focus on meeting client needs because we regard ourselves as unique. We don't consider ourselves having the holy grail in investment. So we have a customized investment approach. Some of the products that we developed, or such as a cash management solution, came out after discussions with our clients who had extra cash, or some of our SME and high net worth clients. From our discussions, we ended up developing a product for them, and we ended up rolling it out to our other clients. So we have a customized investment approach, a diverse product set, and we have an experienced and world-class capabilities. Portfolio managers are charter holders. I'm a charter holder, Imran is also a charter holder. And in terms of the fund management team, we also have 3 other members who are pursuing the CFA charter. And we have a strong brand and group backing. So in terms of performance, how our portfolios perform, we have total fund performance and equities performance. What I'd like to mention, as Britam Asset Management Company, within East Africa, we are members of the Fund Managers Association, and a key concern within the Fund Managers Association has been the focus on AUM, where in the press there's usually a lot of publicity if you manage the largest AUM, where there's no focus on performance. Because of that, we had a survey done by Alexander Fox. So from the results of the survey, in 2013, funds in the market had a performance of 21.4, whereas Britam recorded a performance of 23%, outperforming the market. In terms of equities, most of the fund managers in Kenya recorded a return of 44.1, whereas Britam recorded a return of 49.1%. This survey was conducted by Alexander Fox. In terms of our fixed income portfolio, in 2013, we recorded a performance of 12.9, a return of 12.9 versus 8.9%. That was the average 91.80. So delegates, that was just a brief presentation on the asset management business. And my colleagues will be taking you through our other opportunities. Thank you.